What's going on YouTube? Back with another video. Right now we finna join the Discord live. It's time to go live with the team. And just ready to get this day started, man. So today's basically gonna be like how yesterday was. I'm gonna try to do these every single day, bro. Every single day. So yeah, man, right now it's only 9:04 in the morning. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, make sure you do that. Wells Trades on Instagram. Make sure you follow that so you can get access to the 14-day free trial. As you can see right here, you go to my description, you click this 14-day free trial. So I would take advantage of that right now. Market still has about 10 more minutes till open. I'm going to wait for a 15-minute candle close to either sweep this and start making legs higher, or we run these Asia and London session lows and then we'll wait for a retracement back into it to trade down lower. That's pretty much the game plan right now. So yeah, bro.
430.
23,430. That's the level you looking for?
429.
That's the level you looking for us to sweep?
I would love for it to sweep right there.
For sure.
What level you got?
Yeah, I mean, that's where my Asia session low is at 23,43,1.21. And then London session is at 23,451, basically. But it might run both of those at the same time for real. But we'll still see. We still got about 9 minutes till market open. Market just open. We haven't touched this London session or Asia session low yet. So I'm pretty much not going to take a trade until we either do that or we come back up to this Asia high, because I'm not going to trade this accumulation zone. So still waiting. News at 10 a.m. So be aware. 30 minutes till news. We do have this order block right here on the 15-minute. But at the same time, we also have a double high up here, relative equal high. So I'm still not gonna take this trade, even though we just kind of swept previous candle liquidity here on the 15-minute. I'm still not gonna take this trade. I'm still gonna be patient. Probably won't take a trade until after the 10 a.m. news. That'll really tell the direction of the market. So yeah, we got legs higher here. We just came up to Asia high. Looks like we're kind of sweeping it or retesting down, but still we have about 23 minutes until 10 a.m. news. So still not going to take any trades yet until then. Still accumulating in this range. News still hasn't came out yet. We got about 9 minutes left. We swept this Asia high again, but we're not really running as low as we needed to do. So still chopping. No trade yet. News coming out right now. Still in this accumulation zone. We haven't really did much. If it's still in this accumulation zone by 11:30, y'all, I have to call it a day, because I'm not finna sit here and trade chop. That's not what we do over here in Ancillary Investments. So tap in. No cap. But still gonna have to wait for this next 15-minute candle to close. So it's gonna be a whole other 15 minutes before I even can look for a trade if it does come down here into this London and Asia session low. If not, we still chopping here and start moving back up and just chop sideways, and I'm gonna call it a day. So yeah.
You're about to reject down to these.
We finally got a test into this London low. However, but ES is still at this high. They are nowhere near identical right now.
You even get a good touch.
I mean, we touched it. That's all you need. But I don't see
Did
no
touch
like.
it, yeah.
I don't see no like. We're gonna have to wait for a bullish fair value gap on the 1 minute, or change the state of character or something like that.
I don't see. I ain't see us touch it yet.
No, we touched my. We touched. I'm talking about NQ. ES is still at that high. I'm talking about NQ that touched the London low. That's all. That's the SMT that we need right there. NQ sweeping a key level, and ES is still at the high, making a lower high. That's the SMT right there. Once this candle closes, for sure. Unless ES comes down, but regardless, we still gotta wait for this 15-minute candle to close. It's getting closer to Asia low too.
One of the Asian low.
Yeah, I think Asia low is definitely the more ideal spot for us to bounce, but we could sink this shit if we do
Might break below it real quick and then pop back up.
if we do get below it and close. I want to see us go down to previous day low from yesterday. Did we tap it? We just tapped Asia low.
That shit about to reject this shit.
Yes, it's starting to get legs down here. Still no trades yet. So I'm gonna get back to the camera one. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I find a trade. Wait for this candle to close. It's pushing so far. Trying to wait for this 2-minute candle to close first. This 2-minute candle has a wick on it. It's not looking too good right now. Calls might not be the play. We might just reject all the way down. And the 5-minute candle closes in 1 minute, and that looks ugly. This might be puts for still waiting. I wanted to see this 2-minute fair value gap get inverted, but we had a huge wick through it, came back down, closed inside of it. If this candle right here could close above it, but still nothing yet. Still nothing. I'm in puts.
Order filled.
I'll take this. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. stop loss might have to be wider, but I'm gonna just keep it at the $500. So unfortunately, if it doesn't work, it looks like it's bouncing up right now. Unfortunately, my stop loss is not where I wanted it to be.
She gonna do the exact opposite. You know what that's gonna cause? Y'all not working together. She's working against you. Trust me, stay away from the women that are actively working. Those women that are actively working against you, stay away.
It's bouncing on me. Yeah, it might stop me out, bro. Fortunate. About to hit stop loss here, $500 across 4 accounts.
Order filled.
Yeah. $500 across 4 accounts, so about $2,000 loss today. And calls here last trade of the day. If this trade doesn't work out, I'm done for the day. I'll be $4,000 down on the day. I could move stops to break even right here. I could. Stops at break even. Stops at break even here. We're almost a TP. Move TP up just a little bit to that swing high point. As soon as we get up there to that full, I'll move my stop loss to $500, so we would be break even on the day. This could go all the way back up to the tippy top. Almost there. Come on, man. We needed to get one more last push right here. We need a huge push right here. ES is at that fucking high, so we could reject. I'm not liking it. Yeah, it's 5-minute candles coming into all that fucking, where all those wicks were, there's 5-minute candles coming into it. So it's not a good fucking candle at all, dude. Come on. Why are they doing this? Why are they doing this? I still see it continuing though, but it's just the rejection at this high is insane. It's insane, dude. You just retested the fair value gap. I need you to continue up here, dude. 15-minute candle closes in 1 minute. I could be break even here if I take this trade off right here, but I need this candle to push. As soon as it hits that high again, I'm moving it to $500, so I'll be break even on the day if it can make it up there. I need this candle to push right here. Has to. Just to take off some of the risk. But I need to see this candle. If we can push this high right here, I could put the stops to break even. But right now, it's kind of getting a little choppy right here, and I'm not liking it. 5-minute candle closes in 20 seconds. It could come right back down and sweep that low before going up higher. We need this next 2-minute candle to push straight up. If this next candle can push straight up, we'll be good here. Come on, you gotta push. Buyers gotta step in right here. Buyers have to step in right here in order for this to go up. I need to see that high. I'll let y'all know if this hits stop loss or TP. I already stopped to move to $500 after we took that high out. As soon as we can push that next candle. If we can do that, I'll move the stops to $500 so we could take off the risk on the day. Alright, there we go, $1,000. TP still going. We're almost there. We're almost to TP. It's right there. The wick is right there. Come on. It was so close to TP. We might have to take an L. Well, we won't take an L. We'll be break even on the day across the 4 counts after this trade here. If this candle right here can push up, this will be good. This last 1-minute candle, I need to see it hit that high. Hit TP, we're right there. What's ES doing? ES probably just swept that ES just swept that high, kind of forming an SMT right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade off here right about now.
Order filled.
Yeah, $500 on the day across the 4 accounts. ES formed a new high while NQ is still making a lower high, so we formed another SMT almost on the higher time frame. So I'm just gonna take that exit right there. So $500 across the 4 accounts, and that's how you do it, man. 2 trades for me in a day, and then that's it. I take 2 trades a day, and then that's it, bro. Not trying to over trade or nothing like that. We did take an L on the day, but we managed to the next trade to be a W, and with that 1 to 2 risk to reward, we still made $500 on the day, which our L got wiped out just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all to explain how this trade happened. Alright, so y'all technically seen the trade live, but if that wasn't good enough for y'all, I broke it down more on my Instagram video and the Instagram reel. So this is gonna be the end of the vlog, man. So if you haven't, go to the Instagram, Wells Trades on Instagram, to check out that reel, if you want to better understand economy. It's the same thing we just did live, but yeah, bro. So I'll see y'all in the next video tomorrow.